Hello friends, welcome to our channel Arya and Harika. Today let us see a special recipe Palak Paneer in simple way. Just follow the steps I do and you will definitely get restaurant taste. Let's begin. First heat a kadai and add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, small bunch of spinach leaves washed thoroughly. And now add a pinch of salt. We need to boil all of this. So now add a little bit of water. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Palak is very great source of iron and protein. It's very good to add it to our regular diet. See, it started boiling. Once open and stir the all ingredients. Close the lid again and cook till the water evaporates. In the medium flame, it takes another 4 minutes. Now open and see, it's ready to take out. Let them cool and then grind into a fine paste. Our next step is heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use oil also, but butter will taste best. Now add 100 grams of paneer cubes and 1 bay leaf, 1 small cinnamon stick and a clove. Stir fry the paneer for about 3 minutes. It turns golden and crispy. Paneer is very good food. It is rich in calcium and protein. Now let's add the spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then now mix everything nicely. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until all spices get mixed up with the paneer. After 2 minutes, let's add the grinded paneer paste. Mix well and stir fry for another 2 minutes. After that, our next main ingredient is fresh cream. You can use any company's fresh cream. I am using Amul. Amul is available in 250 ml pack and it costs around 60 rupees. You can use that if you wish. Now let's add 3 spoons of fresh cream. Cream will increase the taste of Palak Paneer recipe. Then only you will definitely get the restaurant taste. Mix well. Adding cream will thickens the gravy, so we need to add water. According to your consistency, you can add water. Mix everything well and check for salt and adjust it at this stage. Stir everything well and close the lid and allow to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. That's all, our yummy and healthy recipe is ready in restaurant taste. Serve hot with rotis or chapatis. Give a try and enjoy with your friends and family members. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thanks for watching.